Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into IAM and SSL certificates, two superheroes of AWS security. IAM is like the bouncer at a club, deciding who gets in and what they can do. SSL certificates, on the other hand, are the secret handshake ensuring secure communication. Together, they keep AWS safe from unwanted guests and eavesdroppers. So, buckle up as we explore how these work together to protect your cloud environment. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. IAM in AWS is like a security guard with a clipboard, checking ID and making sure only the right people get access. It controls who can do what, using policies to set permissions. The best part, it follows the least privilege rule, meaning users only get the access they truly need. No VIP passes for everyone. This ensures security while keeping things efficient. Let's see how IAM makes AWS a safer place. IAM is packed with features that make security management a breeze. It centralizes access control, so no more guessing who has permissions. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, because one password just isn't enough these days. Role-based access ensures users get only what they need, and detailed logging helps track every action. It's like having a security camera for your AWS environment. IAM policies are like rulebooks. They define what users can and cannot do. Permissions are granted based on these policies, ensuring controlled access. These policies are written in JSON, making them both powerful and readable if you love code. IAM roles are the cherry on top, allowing temporary access for services. So whether it's a developer or an application, IAM ensures everyone plays by the rules. SSL certificates are like secret codes that keep your data safe while traveling across the internet. They encrypt information, ensuring no one snoops on your conversations. Whether it's a website, an API, or an AWS service, SSL certificates provide security. And the best part, they're issued by trusted authorities, so you know they're legit. Let's explore how they work their magic. SSL certificates are like invisibility cloaks for your data, keeping it hidden from prying eyes. They encrypt information, ensuring no one intercepts sensitive details like passwords. They also verify the authenticity of AWS services, so users know they're talking to the right system. In short, SSL certificates build trust and security, making AWS a safer place for everyone. SSL certificates come in different flavors, just like ice cream. DV certificates are the basic ones, quick and easy. OV certificates add business authentication, proving legitimacy. EV certificates are the gold standard, offering maximum security. And if you need flexibility, wildcard and multi-domain certificates have got you covered. Choosing the right one depends on your security needs. AWS Certificate Manager, a CM, is your personal assistant for SSL certificates. It handles everything from issuing to renewing certificates, so you don't have to worry about expiration dates. It integrates seamlessly with AWS services like ELB and CloudFront, making security effortless. And the best part, it offers free public certificates. Who doesn't love free security? Provisioning SSL certificates in AWS is easier than ordering pizza. First, use AWS Certificate Manager to request a certificate. Then validate domain ownership, either via email or DNS. Once that's done, deploy the certificate to AWS services like ELB or CloudFront. And just like that, your AWS environment is secured with encryption. IAM plays a crucial role in SSL certificate management. It's the gatekeeper ensuring only authorized users can make changes. It defines permissions, restricting access to certificate management. This prevents accidental or malicious modifications, keeping security intact. In short, IAM and SSL certificates work together like a well-rehearsed dance routine, ensuring AWS remains secure. Alright folks, let's talk about keeping our IAM and SSL certificates in top shape. First, strong authentication is a must. Think of it like a VIP pass to your system. Next, SSL certificates need regular rotation, just like changing your passwords. Least privilege is key. Don't hand out admin access like free candy. And finally, monitoring is crucial, because surprises are great for birthdays, not security breaches. Automation is the superhero of security. AWS Certificate Manager takes care of SSL certificates so you don't have to. IAM policies ensure only the right people have access, because we don't want any gate crashers. Automating renewals means no more last-minute panic when a certificate expires. And integrating SSL with CI/CD. That's like adding turbo boost to your deployments. Let's talk about mistakes, because we all make them. First, overly permissive IAM roles are like leaving your front door wide open. Expired SSL certificates. That's like showing up to a party with an invalid ticket. Misconfigured IAM policies can expose sensitive data. Think of it as accidentally posting your password on social media. And failing to monitor. Well, that's like driving blindfolded. Never a good idea. Security best practices are like good habits. They keep you safe. Multi-factor authentication is a must. It's like double locking your doors. AWS managed policies help maintain control without the headache. Automated alerts for SSL expiration. That's like having a personal assistant reminding you of deadlines. And regular reviews ensure your security setup stays fresh. Because outdated security is like using an old flip phone in 2025. Monitoring is like keeping an eye on your valuables. AWS CloudTrail tracks IAM activity, so you know who's doing what. AWS Certificate Manager ensures your SSL certificates are in good shape. Alerts for suspicious behavior. That's like having a security alarm for your system. And regular audits. Well, that's like checking your bank statements. Better safe than sorry. Time for some real-world stories. Big enterprises have nailed IAM and SSL automation, because manual work is so last decade. Misconfigurations have led to security breaches. Ouch. Expired SSL certificates have caused major disruptions. Lesson learned. Set reminders. And top AWS users follow best practices religiously, because security isn't just a checkbox, it's a mindset. Alright, let's wrap this up. First, start implementing IAM and SSL best practices today, because procrastination is the enemy of security. Automate SSL management to save time and avoid headaches. Keep monitoring and auditing, because security isn't a one-time thing. And finally, stay updated with AWS security trends, because in tech, what's cutting edge today is outdated tomorrow. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.